Hi friends, I am Mallikarjun Rao Chunchu, lecturer in chemistry. Now we shall discuss about strength of H2O2 or concentration of H2O2 solution. Here H2O2 is nothing but hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide solution consists of hydrogen peroxide and water. So it is a mixture of H2O2 and water. So in this mixture consists of two components. That is why it is called as a binary solution. A solution consisting of two components or two substances is called binary solution. In this solution, H2O2 is present in smaller quantity, which is in dissolved state, hence it is solute. Whereas water is present in larger quantity, in which other substance is in dissolved state, that is H2O2 is in dissolved state, hence it is solvent. Okay. So the amount of solute in a fixed volume of solution or the amount of solute present in given quantity of solution is called concentration. Concentration of a solution is nothing but amount of solute present in fixed volume of solution. So here there are various methods to express the concentration of a solution, like weight by volume percentage or molarity, normality, mole fraction. Like that, there are several methods to express the concentration of solution. So here in the H2O2 solution, that is hydrogen peroxide solution concentration is expressed in terms of volume strength, or its strength is expressed in terms of volume strength, volume strength. Concentration is also known as strength of solution. So here for other solutions the volume strength is not there. Only for the solution of hydrogen peroxide the concentration is expressed in terms of volume strength. Volume strength means that is like 10 volumes, 20 volumes, 30 volumes of hydrogen peroxide solution. Like that it is expressed. Here 20 volumes of hydrogen peroxide solution means 20 volumes of H2O2 solution means here 1 volume of H2O2 solution on decomposition gives 20 volumes of oxygen gas at STP. Therefore, the volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solution is nothing but the number of volumes of oxygen gas obtained at STP on decomposition of 1 volume of hydrogen peroxide solution is called volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solution. So here 1 volume on decomposition gives 20 volumes of oxygen gas at STP. That is why it is said to be 20 volumes of hydrogen peroxide solution. Okay, here 1 liter of H2O2 solution on decomposition gives 20 liters of oxygen gas at STP. Similarly, 1 ml of H2O2 solution on decomposition gives 20 ml of oxygen gas at STP. Okay. Like that, 15 volumes of H2O2 solution. 15 volumes of H2O2 solution means, okay, same, 1 volume of H2O2 solution on decomposition gives 15 volumes of oxygen gas at STP. Similarly, 1 liter of H2O2 solution on decomposition gives 15 liters of oxygen gas at STP. 1 ml of H2O2 solution on decomposition gives 15 ml of oxygen gas at STP, like that. So it is expressed in volume. Strength of H2O2 is expressed in volumes. Okay. So now you may get one doubt here, how 1 volume of hydrogen peroxide solution on decomposition produces more volume of oxygen gas at STP. Here you need to understand this point. Here H2O2 is a gas. Obviously gases occupies more volume when compared to solutions or liquids. Okay, for example, 1 mole of water, if you take 1 mole of water, 1 mole of water is weight is 18 grams. Since its density is 1 gram per ml, so its volume is 18 ml. In liquid state, water occupies 18 ml. Okay, when it is vaporizes, changes to gas above 100 degrees centigrade. So here H2O gas or steam occupies, okay, 18 grams of steam occupies a volume of 22,414 ml at STP. This is nothing but gram molar volume, or 22.414 liters at STP. See here the abrupt change in the volume when a liquid changes to gas. In the same way here also, the lesser volume of hydrogen peroxide solution on decomposition gives more volume of oxygen gas at STP. Okay. So therefore, volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solution is nothing but the number of volumes of oxygen gas produced at STP on decomposition of 1 volume of hydrogen peroxide solution is called its volume strength. Now see this question. How much volume of oxygen gas produced by decomposition of 10 ml of 50 volumes of H2O2 solution? That is the volume of oxygen gas produced on decomposition of 10 ml of 50 volumes of H2O2 solution. 50 volumes of H2O2 solution means 1 ml of H2O2 solution on decomposition gives 50 ml of oxygen gas at STP. 50 ml of oxygen gas at STP. That is why it is said to be 50 volumes. So 1 ml of H2O2 solution produces 50 ml of oxygen gas at STP. 10 ml of H2O2 solution can produce 10 ml of H2O2 solution can produce 10 into 50 ml of O2 gas at STP. So this is nothing but 500 ml of O2 gas at STP, or half liter of oxygen gas at STP. Therefore, you can get the volume of oxygen gas liberated at STP is equal to, okay, volume of H2O2 solution in ml into volume strength of H2O2 solution. Volume strength of H2O2 solution. So by multiplying volume of H2O2 solution in ml with volume strength of H2O2 solution, you will get the volume of oxygen gas in ml liberated at STP. Okay, this is the formula to find out the volume of oxygen gas in ml liberated at STP. Okay, this is equal to the volume of H2O2 solution in ml multiplied by the volume strength of H2O2. Okay, so like this you can find out the volume of H2O2 solution by using this formula. Now let us see the stoichiometric equation involving the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. So what is the stoichiometric equation? So see here, as per stoichiometric equation, 2H2O2 gives rise to 2H2O plus O2 gas. This is an aqueous solution. Here, as per this stoichiometric equation, 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide on decomposition gives 2 moles of water and 1 mole of oxygen gas. Okay, this is as per the stoichiometric equation. So, what is the weight of 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide? 1 mole weight is equal to 1 gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight of hydrogen peroxide is 34 grams. So, therefore, 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide weight is 2 into its gram molecular weight, 34 grams per ml, per mole. Okay, 2 moles into 34 grams per mole, that equal to 68 grams. 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide weight is 68 grams. 68 grams of hydrogen peroxide on decomposition gives 1 mole of oxygen gas at STP. 1 mole of oxygen gas at STP occupies a volume of 22.4 liters at STP. Okay, do you understand? So, upon decomposition of 68 grams of hydrogen peroxide, we will get 22.4 liters of oxygen gas. So, here H2O2 solution is nothing but H2O2 and water, okay, together forms aqueous solution of H2O2. So, in 1 liter of H2O2 solution contains 68 grams of H2O2. If 1 liter of H2O2 solution contains 68 grams of H2O2, then 1 liter of H2O2 solution on decomposition is caused by heating. Decomposition produces how much volume of oxygen gas? 22.4 liters of O2 gas at STP. See here. So, if 68 grams of H2O2 when present in 1 liter of H2O2 solution, then 1 liter of H2O2 solution on decomposition gives 22.4 liters of oxygen gas. 1 liter of H2O2 solution on decomposition gives 22.4 liters of oxygen gas. So, here the number of volumes of oxygen gas produced at STP on decomposition of 1 volume of H2O2 solution is nothing but its volume strength. Here 1 volume is giving 22.4 volumes. Therefore, it is said to be 22.4 volumes of H2O2 solution. Here the volume strength of H2O2 solution is 22.4 volumes. Okay. So, here 22.4 volumes of H2O2 solution contains 68 grams of H2O2 in 1 liter. Now, let us express this volume strength in other methods of concentration, like weight by volume percentage. Weight by volume percentage. So, what is meant by weight by volume percentage? The weight of solute in grams present in 100 ml of solution is called weight by volume percentage. The weight of solute in grams present in 100 ml of solution is called weight by volume percentage. Now, this formula is weight of solute in grams by volume of solution in ml into 100. This is the formula to find out weight by volume percentage. Here 1 liter of H2O2 solution contains how many grams of H2O2? 68 grams. Then only it is said to be 22.4 volumes of H2O2 solution. So, therefore, 1 liter means 100 ml of H2O2 solution H2O2 solution containing how much? 68 grams of H2O2. So then what is its weight by volume percentage? Weight by volume percentage equal to 68, that is the weight of solute, that is H2O2 by volume 1000 ml into 100. So that is nothing but 6.8 weight by volume percentage. So 22.4 volumes of hydrogen peroxide solution is 6.8 weight by volume percentage. 22.4 volumes of hydrogen peroxide solution is equal to 6.8 weight by volume percentage. So now let us express this in molarity. This is another method of expressing concentration of solution. What is meant by molarity? The number of moles of solute present in 1 liter solution is called molarity. The number of moles of solute present in 1 liter solution is called molarity. So therefore, the formula of molarity equal to weight of solute by gram molecular weight of solute into 1 by volume of solution in liters. This is the formula to find out the molarity of solution. Here 22.4 volumes of H2O2 solution. 22.4 volumes of H2O2 solution means 1 liter of H2O2 solution should contain 68 grams of H2O2. So here 68 grams present in 1 liter. Therefore, weight of solute is 68. What is the gram molecular weight of H2O2? 34 grams per mole. This is the gram molecular weight into volume of solution is 1 liter. This is equal to 2 moles per liter, or this is also known as 2 molar. So you can understand 22.4 volumes of H2O2 solution is exactly equal to 2 molar solution. In molarity, 22.4 volumes of H2O2 solution is equal to 2 molar. Okay. So coming to the normality, how to express this in normality? What is meant by normality? The number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter solution is called normality. The number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter solution is called normality. So let us see the formula of normality. Weight of solute by gram equivalent weight of solute into 1 by volume of solution in liters. This is the formula to find out normality of solution. Here 22.4 volumes of H2O2 solution means 1 liter of H2O2 solution should contain 6.8 grams. 1 liter solution contains 6.8 grams. Then only it is 22.4 grams. What is the gram equivalent weight of H2O2? For any substance, gram equivalent weight is equal to gram molecular weight divided by n factor. N factor. For acids, n factor is nothing but basicity of acids. So here H2O2 is considered as a dibasic acid. It consists of 2 replaceable hydrogen atoms. H2O2 is a weak acid and it is a dibasic acid. It has 2 replaceable hydrogen atoms. Hence, its n factor is taken as 2. Therefore, gram equivalent weight of H2O2 solution is equal to gram molecular weight of H2O2 by 2. What is the gram molecular weight of H2O2 solution? 34 grams by 2 equal to 17 grams. 17 grams is the gram equivalent weight of H2O2 solution. Now let us see calculate its normality. Normality of 22.4 volumes of H2O2 solution. So here it contains 68 grams. Okay, what is the gram equivalent weight? 68 grams in 1 liter. So 17 grams per equivalent weight into volume is 1 liter. So therefore it is 4 gram equivalent weights per liter. So this is nothing but 4 normal solution. So here 22.4 volumes of H2O2 solution should contain 68 grams of H2O2 in 1 liter. Okay, so when 68 grams of H2O2 on decomposition gives 22.4 liters of oxygen gas at STP. Okay, if 68 grams of H2O2 solution, H2O2 is present in 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide solution, then its weight by volume percentage is equal to 6.8 weight by volume percentage, and its molarity is equal to 2 molar, and normality of 22.4 volumes of H2O2 solution is 4 normal. Okay, now let us represent all these different methods of concentration of H2O2 solution in the form of a table, so that you can draw some relations between them. See here, volume strength of H2O2 and weight by volume percentage, molarity, normality. So look at here, 22.4 volumes of H2O2 solution, its weight by volume percentage is how much? 6.8 weight by volume percentage, and its molarity is 2 molar, and normality is 4 normal. Okay, then you can take half of its values, then automatically 11.2 volumes of H2O2 solution is equal to 3.4 weight by volume percentage, and its normal molarity should be 1 molar, and its normality should be half of it, 2 normal. Okay, because 22.4 volumes of H2O2 solution contains 6.8 grams of H2O2 in 1 liter, 1000 ml. So therefore, 11.2 volumes of H2O2 should contain 34 grams in 1 liter. Then its normality is 1 molar, molarity is 1 molar, normality is 2 normal. Now, similarly, 5.6 volumes of H2O2. Automatically it is 1.7 weight by volume percentage, 0.5 molar concentration, and its normality is 1 normal. Okay? So therefore, from this relation, you can draw certain, from this table you can draw certain relations between them. So if you observe molarity and volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solution, what do you conclude from these values? So by seeing these values of volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solution and its molarity, here the volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solution is 11.2 times more than molarity. Okay, so volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solution is equal to volume strength of H2O2 solution is equal to, how do you write? How many times it is greater than molarity? 11.2 times into molarity. So this is one relation between molarity of H2O2 solution and its volume strength. Similarly, here the normality, if you compare normality and volume strength of H2O2 solution, here the volume strength of H2O2 solution is 5.6 times more than normality of H2O2 solution. Therefore, volume strength of H2O2 solution, volume strength of H2O2 solution is equal to 5.6 into normality. It's normality. This is the another relation between volume strength of H2O2 solution and normality. Now our weight by volume percentage of H2O2 solution is equal to 17 by 56 into volume strength of H2O2. Volume strength of H2O2 solution. This is the third relation. If you know these three relations, you can easily solve so many problems related to the strength of H2O2. All these three relations are derived from this tabular form. From this tabular form, you can conclude these three relations. So what about 10 volumes of H2O2 solution? How do you find out weight by volume percentage of 10 volumes of H2O2 solution? So weight by volume percentage is equal to 17 by 56 into volume strength is 10 volumes. So that equal to 3.035. So therefore 3.035 weight by volume percentage. What is its molarity? How do you calculate molarity? Molarity is equal to volume strength by 11.2, that equal to 10 by 11.2 equal to 0.893 molar. This is the molarity of H2O2 solution of 10 volumes, that is 0.893 molar. Now what is its normality? Normality, how do you calculate normality? Equal to volume strength by 5.6, that equal to volume strength is 10 volumes by 5.6 equal to 17.896 normal. So 10 volumes of H2O2 is equal to 1.786 normal solution. Like this. Similarly, 20 volumes of H2O2 solution is equal to 6.07 weight by volume percentage and 7.896 molar solution, and coming to the normality, 3.572 normal solution. And lastly, 100 volumes of H2O2 solution is equal to 30.35 weight by volume percentage, 8.93 molar solution, molarity, and its normality is 17.86 normal. So this is about 100 volumes of H2O2 solution. 100 volumes of H2O2 solution is also known as parahydrol. What is its another name for 100 volumes of H2O2 solution? Parahydrol. So by knowing this tabular form and these relations, you can calculate so many number of problems related to the strength of H2O2 solution or concentrations of H2O2 solution. So most of you understand well. So practice the problems so that you get more familiarity in this topic. We will meet in next video. See you. Bye.